Okay, so as you can see, my hair is braided up, and it's morning. Amazon did it again. They sent it early in the morning so I can do this first thing in the morning. So we got something very different today. We usually do the individual twists, but for today, or this install, I wanted to try to actually crochet it with different hair because I didn't want dreads. I kind of wanted a different style and look. My hair, this weather has been like very, very cold, and I've been under a lot of not stress but pressure. I've been under a lot of pressure. And you know that the first thing that starts to go is your hair, eyebrows, your nails. So I'm not under stress, like, oh my God, it's just pressure. I'm putting out a lot of content. I'm getting a lot of downloads. I'm teaching. I have students now. I have students that I'm teaching what I learned and how I learned it. And it's no longer just me talking to a TV screen or talking to a camera. It's actually me having students that have questions, that have real life issues and stuff. So it's kind of breaking my hair. So I need to put it away for a bit and not like have it being pulled and stuff. So that's why I braided it up the best that I can. I'm not still learning how to cornrow and stuff. Oh, my ear started learning how to cornrow and stuff. But my team was like, let's record it. So this is us recording it. I don't know what's going to happen. I am very worried because I've never done this before. So it might come out fantastic. It might come out horribly. So you're along with me on this journey. Depending on how bad it is, I don't know if I'll post it. But yeah, so let's try it together. So I got the Leeven Gogo Curl crochet hair. I got the black ocean wave. It's an ocean wave, as you can see. It's a pretty wave. You know, I'm a little worried that it's so thin because I'm used to the dreads. The dreads are thicker. Or the locks, they're thicker. So we are going to install it, and I got a 12-inch. This is the 12-inch. What I just showed you is a 12-inch, and then I got a 10, just so it can layer a little bit without me cutting it. I don't like cutting the hair for me personally because I feel like it starts to frizz when you cut it. So I just got different sizes. I didn't want to go nuts and got like a 12, a 10. When I used to put weaves in my hair, I used to get a 10, a 12, and an 8, and it would just be layered out. It always comes with this trusty tool. It's funny because this is the tool. Whoever makes this, they have a huge contract because every crochet has the same one. It's never a different one. It's always this one. But enough talking. Let's start with the 12-inch and see how it goes. And wish me luck. Yeah. I didn't wake up holy. I woke up hungry. I was raised on panic and pressure. Smile on my face, war in my chest. Try to stay small, try to stay normal, but my soul kept kicking through the dress. Static in my bloodstream, hands on my temples. I hear the truth like a baseline thread. If I don't rise, I crumble. So I choose me with no regret. Cut the cords, break the script. Every shit can choke on it. I'm not lost, I'm loading in. I got noise in my head, oh, fire in my throat. Turn pain into power when I'm back to the ropes. I don't need your permission, never did, never
awake, shadow try to chain me. I made it my engine, every breakdown taught me what to take. I bled out old versions, I buried the doubt. Now my no hits heavy like a kick drum loud. I'm not here to be liked, I'm here to be real.
Okay, so I had to take a quick break because I had to go answer some emails and stuff. Now, as you can see, the 10 is in the front, which it kind of frames my face a little bit better. I have some stragglers from my it's not finished, so don't get nervous. I still have to do more. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be too heavy and bulky. As you can tell, I still need to do a lot in the front. The top is always the hardest for me because it's kind of like you have to design it so it doesn't look weird and it doesn't look like bulky as well. So I am still working on it. Like I said, I had to take a quick break. So we are going to get back with it. I think I have another email that I need to look at. So bear with me, people.
The shift when I walk in the room. I don't beg, I build. I don't fold, I heal. I don't chase, I choose. Say it with your soul, I'm nothing to lose. I got noise in my halo, lightning in my bones. I turned all that grief into a goddamn throne. Ain't no saving me, baby, I saved myself. Went through hell, came back with the wealth. Yeah, I'm cracked, I'm glowed. Yeah, I'm cracked, I'm glowing. I'm learning the code. I'm the storm, I'm the altar. I'm coming back home.
Okay, so we are done. I'm gonna have to keep readjusting, you know. Like I told you in the beginning, I was under a little more challenging, so my front of my hair can't hold too much hair, so we try to not put too much in the front stuff. We're gonna have to keep tightening. I cannot wait for the curls to drop because these curls eventually are going to drop. They always do, so they always just start to fall into place. Next time I probably won't get this hair again, but probably next time I would get the 10 is a lot shorter than I thought it was. Oh, I cut, as you can see, I cut the bottoms only because it was a weird layer. 12 wasn't, the 10 was a lot shorter than the 12. I don't know if I have 12 left. It's weird. The 10 was a lot shorter than the 12, so it didn't layer properly. So I cut it on the bottom a bit because you can't do anything, you know, can't grow length. But I cut the bottom. So I'm gonna be doing this and playing with it the entire time. I'm not used to so much curls in my hair, which is gonna be something to get used to. What I do like, it looks like I just got my hair braided. That's what I do love about it. It looks like when you see the inside, it just looks like I got my hair braided. My hair is just braided. And I can do different, like, I can take my glasses off. I can do different styles with it. I tried to position stuff because you know I like doing stuff with my hair. So I tried to position the hair, especially in the front, where I could wear it like this. I can like open it up and like wear it like that. Granted, I gotta fix it, but wear it like that. If I do post this and you're watching it and you're like, well, what should I watch out for? It seems like it doesn't lock as well as, remember, I do the crochet that I do, I usually do individuals and I braid it in, or I loop it in to the braid. So it normally, the loop the pre-loop stays put and I don't have any issues with it. But since I actually crocheted it this way this time, I keep feeling like I have to tighten the loop around the hefty braid to keep it in its spot. But it's good for what it is. Would I get this particular hair again? Probably not. Only because the curls are a lot. It's a lot of curls. And I'm going to have to wait for it to drop. When I go to sleep, I'll probably tie it down so it doesn't get frizzy and stuff. Like the front, I had to take pieces off here because it was too heavy for this part of my hair. Like I told you, I feel a little stressed with getting everything is starting to move, and everything's starting to move at the same time. So it's a little stressed, and the weather, Bob's out of his mind. The weather has been like just crazy. One minute it's like below zero, and then the next minute it is almost 50 degrees, if not 50 degrees. So hopefully spring will come and then you'll see my hair out all nice in its glory. But for now, we are putting it away so it can be and have a rest. All right, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay up, stay blessed. Deuces, and I'm out. Click it. Where's the button? Can't find the button. Too much hair. Okay, so this is the finished product. I did have to cut it. I hated it. I absolutely hated it when I was done. When I was done, I absolutely hated it. I didn't like the 12 because it was a weird length. It wasn't like a normal length. And you know, I didn't want to cut it. That's why I got the layers, but I had to cut it. I cut it short into a bob upon a recommendation. And because I was going to take it out this morning. This morning I was just like, yeah, it's gone. It's out of here. So I cut it. And it was funny because they were like, you're going to take it out anyway, so you might as well cut it. So I was just like, all right, let me cut it into a bob and see if I like it. And I do. I like it. It's versatile. I can shake it and make it drop. Make it drop. Make it drop. You know, and then do it to the side and like play around. The things that I do like about it, see how it's cute? See how cute? So, it looks like I just have my hair braided. That's the part that I do like. I thought I was going to hate the braids that anchor it in. I thought I was going to hate those, but you can't really even see them, which is pretty cool. So I'm definitely not going to get this hair again. I didn't like this hair. It does not look like what it's on Amazon. Amazon, it has like really curls. It's not really like that. Or maybe it turns into that, but it doesn't start out that way. So it's like, it's cute. I just cut it so the hair keeps falling. It's cute. It was pretty fairly easy to install. I don't like the fact that it keeps slipping. The knots, you have to keep tightening them in certain places because it's silky. So the knot kind of unravels a little bit, so you got to be careful with that. Like I said, I like it short. It's not long. It's a lot of hair, and it just didn't suit for me the way I had it. So I am pleased I can wear it because I was going to take this out. This beauty of doing your own hair. I would only have lost $30. So I got it off Amazon. I think it was 17 for the 12, and I think like 10 or something for the 10 pack. I'm not quite sure, but look it up. I'll put the link in the description just so you guys have it. I love you guys. Thanks for always coming on with me with my crazy adventures. Yeah, so that's that. So see, oh, for those who are like, what's the back look like? Can you see the back? This is the back. Actually, I would like to see what the back looks like too because I can't see the back. So I cut it. Like I said, I cut it. So I cut the 12. So maybe I'm not telling you what to do. So maybe if you want like a style like this, by the 8 and the 10, or by the 8, or by the 10. I don't know, but thanks for watching. Love you guys. Stay up, stay blessed. Deuces, and we out.